How to fix Skout app not working or crashing issue. If the Skout app keeps crashing, freezing, or won't open, try this solution step by step. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. If it's still not working, restart the app. Close Skout completely. Remove it from the recent app. Open it again and check if it works. A simple reboot can solve temporary glitch. Hold the power button, tap restart or power off and turn it back on. If it's still not working, go to App Store and search Skout, then tap if available. Old version may crash often. If nothing else works, uninstall Skout, go to the Play Store app, download and install it again, log back into your account. And if you are using an outdated or rooted device, Skout may not run smoothly. Try using another device to confirm. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.